Hello there. Since it's summer vacation and I don't have proper travel plans until October, I thought why not try out some different kinds of videos. For years now, I've been following channels like Fail Army. Friends know that a good fail compilation can boost my mood. And that's just what I did for you today. I collected a few of my favorite fails. And before we start, I have a little challenge for you. If we hit 20 likes on this video, I will upload a second part. Well, I hope you enjoy the video.
Hold my beer, man. Watch this.
Не бойся.
Он боится ее.
Все.
I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. Okay, we're done.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord, jeez. Oh, Lord. Oh, jeez. What you doing, Terry? Terry, what you doing?
もういいよ。もう閉めないよ。あ叩かれたからって。
Oh no, you're gonna hurt yourself. Back up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get it back. Rissa, get back.
Rissa, back
get
up.
back. Your eyes gonna pop
up.
out. Rissa, back seat. Get it back. Rissa, oh my word.
When I got to your school, the teacher said I heard you have a lot of weed at your house. Okay. Do you want to explain that?
Nope.
Are we growing weed at our house?
Yeah.
A lot of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit, but it's gonna grow a lot.
It's gonna grow a lot, and then what do we do with the weed?
We're gonna get it out and throw it to another place.
Oh, okay. Do you want to maybe show people what you're talking about?
Yeah.
That's the weed you're telling all your teachers about?
That's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's weed.
Denna.
Bye-bye. Yep. That.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy. Sit.
Found a loose one.
Good job.
Quickly. Oh! Well.
Oh no!
Okay. Ainsley, I'm gonna get you.
A little harder, Noah. A little bit of water and...
I take it.
Diane!
Turn, baby.
Léo, segura a bexiga pra mamãe, tá? Segura.
You see the ladybug?
Ooh.
Yeah. No, Annabelle.
Bye-bye.
That's a somersault. Travi, go.
All right, go for it. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Just keep on doing what you do.